This is the Rodecaster Duo. I have the original one, and I didn't get the Rodecaster Pro 2, so I don't have that benefit, even though they say that this is exactly the same. But I do have the first one, and I'm going to show it to you right after this. This is the Rodecaster Duo. It says Integrated Audio Production Studio. And so I wanted to show it to you, just do a little unboxing, because I do have the first one, the Rodecaster Pro. That's the first one. And so I don't really have the benefit of the Rodecaster Pro 2. This is definitely an upgrade for me. And so I wanted to show from the original to what this is. Really do enjoy it. So here, let's take a look at it. This, okay, next level audio. Okay, kind of talks about the different things here. And whoa, look at this. Look at this. And it's got auditors. Wow, look at this. Very nice. Very nice. Let's lay this to the side. See, lift here. And then let's see what we got. Cable. Okay. This is the warranty, power supply, okay, and the power cord should be right in here as well. Okay, yep, boom and boom. Now, I'm being told that it doesn't need a power supply if you're powering straight from here straight into the computer. But wow, this is small. This is really small. Very nice. Very nice. Here, let me walk you over to my to the original and then show you what we're talking about here. So this is the original, the Rodecaster Pro. All right, and then look at that. Look at that. Look, I mean, it covers the whole, this whole section right here. Covers that whole section right here. So we're going to start to set this thing up. On, so I'm gonna, let's see. So we have contact and everything is now working great. So I can hear myself. I know you can't hear me, but it sounds very good. So excellent. Guys, if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Share in your comment if you have the Rodecaster Duo for podcasting or live streaming or any of that. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to